So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to open up a TFSA here on EQ Bank. So once the dashboard is on your screen right here, go to the top right and press on the three horizontal lines. Then on this page, I want you to go to where it says Manage My Account and then just scroll down to where it says Featured Products. Then under Featured Products right here, you're looking for a TFSA or a tax-free savings account. So if you don't see it right here, which for me it actually says Open Up an EQ Bank TFSA, third from the bottom here, go ahead and select that. Then on this screen, it's going to tell you all about the TFSA that you can open up through EQ Bank. So a few things here: 1.5% interest, if you can view TFSA GIC rates, unlimited transactions, no monthly fees, or etc. You can basically learn more about it. Now, unlike some other applications, this is a GIC TFSA, so you can't actually buy stocks or anything like that through EQ Bank. This is strictly for GIC. So if you want to proceed and this looks good to you, go ahead and press Open Up a TFSA plan in black down below. It'll then bring it to this screen right here where you can go ahead and review your personal information. So if this all looks good to you, feel free to scroll to the bottom. Once you're at the bottom, you need to read more about it, accept the terms and conditions, and if you want to proceed and all looks good to you, go to the bottom, press Submit to proceed with the application of the TFSA this way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to open up a TFSA or a tax-free savings account on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.